Come test drive this 2012 Ram 1500. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this truck stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.